viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the location you're watching us from. This is Love Ada Family TV. Alright, today we would like to talk about values. Value is a principle or quality intrinsically or internally essential, valuable or desirable to you. Value is when you attach something to you. I value my sister. Now we're going to be going down to the importance of values. Number 1, value helps in decision making. It helps in decision. If you value something, you want to buy it. So value helps in decision making. Value promotes positive relationship among people. Value enhances good behavior, attitude, and feeling. Human values, that's what we're going to be talking about next. Number 1, equality. Understanding people's rights, that you have the same rights as other people. Equality. Honesty, being truthful at all times. Honor, guiding and staying to your word, standing by your word. Continue. Sources of values. Sources of value. The family. It includes the father, the mother, and the children, even the grandparents and aunties and nieces. We have the school. It educates the students, teaching students. We have the religion. It teaches us about God. We have tradition. We have the culture. The Igbo tribe, the Yoruba tribe. This is Love Ada Family. Please like and subscribe.
Hello everyone. This is Love Ada Family TV. The kids, my children, are talking about value, and right now I want to talk about value. Value is so important in your life. One of my son always tell me, Mommy, what I'm still doing value. Why am I building my value? Is because you taught me how to do this. Almost when my children were small, I always tell them, it's very important. Value the value you have. You are looking at me today. What's inside you have you seen? And people will look at it and say, yes, this child, there is value. You have value. Learn skills. Don't be a disgrace to your family. Maybe because you want to get it. You want to make it. You want to do this. You want to do that. Your value is important. I want to know your father, and I want to know who you're going to be tomorrow. That's because that man have taken up his time to build up his value. And that's why you can see him like this today. Just let's look at somebody like P2B. Can you see the kind of value he has? When tomorrow P2B's son gets up, do you know that people will still be by his side? Because it takes him time. Your value is most important. Don't mess up your life. Don't come on Facebook and naked yourself. You know, your value will be terminated.